Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're reacting to Diana Ankudinova, and she's going to be performing the song called Blizzard at only the age of 15. Let's go. Have you ever been in the blizzard?
Of course. Yeah.
You've been in the blizzard?
Yes.
And you survived?
It's not that bad. Honestly, I'll take blizzard any day of the week over a hurricane.
Hurricane?
Yeah.
Yeah? Really? We have to talk about this later. I have questions. Wow. So what the buzzers mean? So you've like passed?
So yeah, 3 buzzers, you pass the next round.
Oh, okay.
I like the special effects, the snowflakes in the background. It looks, I mean, it fits with the theme of the song.
She's okay. This was a funny judge.
Even at the age of 15, she was already a great performer.
Yes.
I mean, just looking at her stage presence overall,
very
like,
confident.
Yeah, she's killing it, and she's so young.
She got all 4 buzzers. Ooh.
Yeah, but the judges, I think, because we reacted to the show before, I remember. But the judges are different.
Yeah.
I don't remember these judges. They were, I guess maybe this is a different year or something.
Oh, okay. The lyrics is very powerful. Tying the emotion to the weather is very powerful. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Very powerful. Very impressive. So much at 15 already. Wow.
Yeah, great performance.
I can imagine when she gets more further on in her career, like how much more can she even get better? It's amazing. So guys, that was Diana Ankudinova. She was performing Blizzard only at the age of 15 at this competition show. Now, we don't get to really see the results of the competition show. I want to know, like, if she's at, like, won these, like, or she just participates in these. It's like,
well, I think that's how she was participating in.
I wonder if she ever won any of these, like, complete.
I think she did.
Just to know, like, her history, her repertoire. So guys, let us know what you think of Diana Ankudinova's performance. Of course, this is not our first time reacting to her. Feel free to check out our reaction to Diana Ankudinova on our YouTube channel. We have a whole playlist dedicated to her. In the meantime, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang, and as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye guys.